Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for the Steam Deck under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Steam Deck gaming sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for the Steam Deck? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data and gameplay stay safe from snoopers. They all have a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get disconnected mid-game with your IP exposed. Plus, they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your connection or gaming activity on your Steam Deck. But it's the differences that really matter for Steam Deck gaming. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Steam Deck because of its speed and features. It runs a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major privacy win. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could mess with your gaming or steal your info, even when the VPN's off. Plus, it has MeshNet, a tool that lets you create a super secure custom network to connect with friends for multiplayer gaming on your Steam Deck. The only slight downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. That device limit? No big deal with private internet access or IPVanish. They both offer unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run them on your Steam Deck, PC, phone, whatever. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Steam Deck gamer can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then there's IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They control all their gear, which means a more stable and reliable connection for you. And for any Steam Deck gamer fed up with laggy connections, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can route your gaming traffic for a smoother experience. Just remember, you're trading off a layer of encryption for that low ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Steam Deck gaming? NordVPN takes the crown in raw speed, thanks to its custom NordLynx technology. That means less lag, smoother gameplay on your Steam Deck. IPVanish is a close second, delivering steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access? It's a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests showed its performance varies, with ping spikes depending on the server. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if low ping and zero lag are your top priorities, or if you want the best all-around VPN packed with features. Pick IPVanish if you've got tons of devices or a household full of gamers. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, choose PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Steam Deck player who wants proof to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly one of a kind. And that's it. We're all out of time. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running on your Steam Deck. See you soon.